Today, I designed this class. Genius class. I'm gonna use Thai, blah blah blah, to help you remember 50 vocabularies. And it's just so easy. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Marfwei. Thai, blah blah blah. 就是太怎么怎么了 I'm here to help you to improve your Chinese in the fastest way, like in easiest way, because I don't want to waste your time. We should never waste our time. 第一组就是基础的形容词，平时你都会用到嘛，就是或者别人夸你的时候，或者别人损你的时候，你应该知道他们在说什么，所以形容词还是很重要的。我会帮助你们去快速的记住它。所以第一个，打个比方，如果我说太美了，就是 wow so beautiful 太美了。那如果我说好美好美也是 very beautiful 的意思，但是它的语境不太一样。就是好美的话可能就是稍微的温和一点，不这么夸张，但太美了就是真的是 extremely beautiful 太美了，哇这种感觉。所以看一下啊，太好了太好了太好了。 Watch this video over and over again and repeat with me. Come on, let's go. 太好了太好了太好了太棒了太棒了太棒了太美了太美了太美了太帅了太帅了太帅了太可爱了太可爱了太可爱了太贵了太贵了太贵了太便宜了太便宜了太便宜了太难了太难了太难了太简单了太简单了太简单了太快了太快了太快了 Yes, a lot of you said my shorts are very fast because we have to think fast, speak fast, and learn fast. No, I hate slow. Life is too short. 太慢了太慢了太慢了太晚了太晚了太晚了太早了太早了太早了太冷了太冷了太冷了太热了太热了太热了太累了太累了太累了太忙了太忙了太忙了太吵了太吵了太吵了，我要演一下太安静了太安静了太安静了太远了太远了太远了太开心了太开心了太开心了。你今天可以说我太开心了，我今天看了您建议的视频，太开心了，这样子。太生气了太生气了太生气了太紧张了太紧张了太紧张了太尴尬了太尴尬了太尴尬了太丢脸了太丢脸了太丢脸了太感动了太感动了太感动了太失望了太失望了太失望了太夸张了太夸张了太夸张了它太夸张了太奇怪了太奇怪了太奇怪了太危险了太危险了太危险了危险我也不来演戏真的不容易。太有意思了太有意思了太有意思了太有用了太有用了太有用了太有钱了太有钱了太有钱了太有才了太有才了太有才了太有趣了太有趣了太有趣了太离谱了太离谱了太离谱了太真实了太真实了太真实了太浪漫了太浪漫了太浪漫了太幸福了太幸福了太幸福了太倒霉了太倒霉了太倒霉了太绝了太绝了太绝了太神了太神了太神了太惨了太惨了 太惨了，太假了，太假了，太假了，看我表情，这人太假了。太甜了，太甜了，太甜了。太辣了，太辣了，太辣了。太油了，太油了，太油了。太麻烦了，太麻烦了，太麻烦了。太值了，太值了，太值了。When you made a great deal， 太值了，太值了。太厉害了，太厉害了，太厉害了。Watch this video over and over again and repeat with me. 太怎么怎么了，太怎么怎么了 and then you will never forget it. How you can forget it if you watch this video 10 times or 20 times more? I love you so much, even I don't know who you are, because God love us. God love all of us. I love you too. See you next time, guys. Thank you for following me and watch my video. Please comment below if you have any questions. I always love to read your comments, no matter bad or good. No, I'm lying. I shouldn't lie, but I don't like bad comments. Nobody does. If somebody said, okay, I appreciate also your bad comments, they're lying. Bye.